As 8 Guinness World Record holder, Rainer Zietlow makes his way through China, he has finally arrived in Shanghai, home to Giti Tires China headquarters. Driving the ID.Buzz wrapped in Giti livery, he has traveled from Kashgar to Shanghai after a short but efficient stopover in Giti Tires After Sales Service Center, Speedwork Auto Care. There he received convenient, high-quality, and professional car care, including an in-depth inspection of his tires' condition.
Now we almost have half of the tour. We are traveling here to Shanghai now with this ID.Buzz and GT tires on. It's a long way driving. China belongs to the biggest countries in the world, so car was okay, tires okay.
During his stay, Rainer also visited 3 on the Bund in Shanghai, where the striking Giti livery caught the attention of fans and media. There he engaged with members of the public, sharing about his experience with Giti tires as he travels around the world.
Driving electric vehicles since now 5 years with world record background and Guinness World Record background, I can say a very good EV tire should have less roll resistance. As less you have resistance onto the road, the car can go further. And also you need, for the back tires at least, a good grip because the acceleration is quite fast on the electric car. The good thing on GT tire is that they really give me a super feeling on the highway when I'm driving. I have super grip, good contact. We can drive quite smoothly. Thank you, GT, for this performance.
As he moves on with his world record journey, he heads towards Hefei to visit Giti's Research and Development Center to explore the technologies that create the exceptional performance of Giti tires. Giti engineers will gain valuable insight from this world record holder, an avid EV driver, to further develop Giti's products, improving the performance of Giti tires to meet the needs of driving enthusiasts and everyday drivers.